What we're looking at here is a TikTok blogger. It's about making a health video. Channels created using AI. He didn't show his face. These people you see, all characters created by AI. His channel already has more than 4 million likes, and he has more than 750,000 followers. Such a huge amount of traffic. If we can get good drainage into selling products, then our profit must be very considerable, and the number of views of each of his videos is very high. The video has been viewed 20 million times. Why didn't you think of that? Just one video. He was able to attract so many people to watch. Perhaps it is the importance that many people attach to health nowadays, and at the same time for the creation of AI videos. Very interested. So how do we make short videos like his and post them to TikTok to cash in on free traffic so we can earn a commission from the alliance? That's $146 in revenue in one deal. Or by promoting health-related products. That's more than $100 a pop, or $130 a pop. See, for health aspects of the type of products, their commission returns are very high. I'm going to share it with you today. How do you create a short video like his to drain through TikTok? Earn your passive income. If you are interested in today's topic, then come with me. I will share it step by step. Tell you how to create a video in 3 to 5 minutes. Create short videos easily to get highly viewed videos on TikTok. Earn high commissions. Now let's get started on today's topic. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my latest share. We can analyze it first. What is he talking about in this video?
You will experience improved digestion. Your body will start to digest and absorb the nutrients present in the fruits. The dietary
We can tell from its video content. It's about the benefits of fruit for our health. So we can start with a topic like this. Write this type of copy. The first step, of course, is to create pictures of real doctors like him. So all we need to describe in this picture is the image of a doctor or the image of a professional doctor, and he can be anywhere between 40 and 50 years old. Here we can go to the front page of the channel. You can see here the URL of the AI toolbox. We click on the website to go to the AI toolbox. You can find Leonardo. This is a site that can be mapped with text, or you can map a website with Midjourney AI. So both of these tools are okay. I'm using Leonardo today. We saw him backstage. We found the second template. Let's click to open the second template. Start creating content. In our input box in his input, a professional doctor and his age is about 40 years old, relatively dignified, and the image of a real person, and also his background is a natural background. Then we click to create such a character. This is an AI character I created earlier. Created an AI picture. Is not a very professional looking person, and you got one of his faces. It's a serious expression. In this way, the doctor will be more professional. You can see if all these pictures are suitable for us to create. So when we get the picture done, we need to download all these pictures. We can choose the size here and the ratio is 9:16. It's a format that looks like this because what we need to do is a short video. So the format ratio is 9:16. We need to download all these pictures. Click download and then we'll go through step 2. We are going to create a text content through chat. So my request is that in the morning we drink a glass of water. Drink a glass of warm water. What's good for our health? Or does it help? He writes his original plan right here. Very suitable for us to do short video copywriting content. We can just copy the title. Once you've copied it, go to Chat GPT. We send the headline content directly to Chat GPT. Then it can write an original copy of the content. So that way we can use the copywriting content to create our short video. Copy and pictures are already available. We come to step 3. You need to go through this website d-id.com. This website is mainly a website that can make dynamic videos through pictures, and you can upload a picture. I can get the character to talk. It turned out to be a static picture, but we just need to enter the content. You can get the character to talk. So when you sign up for this website, all we have to do is click on the creation video, then take the picture that we have just prepared. Use this button L to add this image. Upload this picture. I already uploaded the picture before that, so we'll just upload this picture. I just uploaded this picture right now, and then take the copy that was just here. Let's just copy a random paragraph, and then we paste it into this dialogue. So this way he can. It is expressed by means of voice. You can also choose from multiple languages here: French, English, Spanish, etc. These multinational voices give us a choice. The pronunciation of different characters. We can also listen to how it sounds.
Rich in nutrients, fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber.
Rich in nutrients, fruits are packed with vitamins.
Rich in nutrients, fruits are packed with vitamins.
I felt the second sound after listening. I heard a very professional and calm voice. I'll take the second one. You can also choose when you're done. We just need to click the button above to create this video. We just need to wait for him to create the video process. So he's already done it. So over here he's going to use your integral. I can see it costs you 1 point. So your video is 14 seconds long. And then we click to get this video. We can click open to see what it looks like.
Rich in nutrients, fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Including a variety of fruits in your diet during fasting periods ensures that your body receives.
We can then download this video. After downloading, we just need to get this video. Put CapCut into this free editing video software. This software is completely free. All you have to do is search the internet. You can download and install it. And then we just have to drag this video in. And then we found an automatic subtitle on it. Here, click on the text and then click automatic to get subtitles. You can see this way. Subtitles, we can also choose a different template for it. See, this is a template for the text. We click on this as he reads these text templates. Show a process. Then we can choose when to display the text. What is the dynamic effect? We can choose this effect. You can choose from a variety of effects here, and then we can choose a different font for the text. So follow your own needs. Select a variety of these fonts to display. You can adjust it. His size of these words is not very easy. I can make a video that looks like this.
Rich in nutrients, fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Including a variety of fruits in your diet during fasting periods ensures that your body receives essential nutrients.
And then we continue. We noticed that he was talking about this video. He's not the only one using AI. The video content associated with the text content is also displayed. So the footage from these videos, we can also get it from another website. We can go through Pictory.ai. This site is able to create AI videos from text. We click to open this website. When you enter the site, you can get video footage through some text content. For example, let me copy this piece of content. Let's go to the background of the website. Click to create a video through text. Then we just need to put this content. Text input. We can generate this video. You will find that you can choose your template. Here you can choose the template you like. And then we do short videos. So we chose the short video at 9:16. We can see him based on what you gave us. The site will match the relevant videos based on the text. And then we can change those videos and we can change them. You can do this by clicking on this gallery. You can see there are a lot of illustrations of these materials. It's just a click away. I can replace the entire footage. If you don't like the content of this text, you can just delete him, then apply all of these pieces. All we have to do is download this footage of him. If you want more content, you can copy the whole thing all at once. So this way you can get the video. He'll be matching more videos. And very convenient. I just need to get this stuff in too, in this video above. Or you're still on this Pixabay free material site. You can search for nutrition or fruits and vegetables. Then he came out with a lot of free material, but he's free, so you need to download one video at a time. And if you want to get video footage in bulk, you can go through this site in bulk to get material, because you can copy the whole article, because it can automatically help you match these material content. So that way you can get the material all at once. You don't need to download one video at a time. The disadvantage of this site is that it costs money. You can get his copyright. There's a fee for the video, so they each have their own advantages and disadvantages. But one good thing is the material you get. The commercial rights to this video can be obtained, free and chargeable. This site is much easier if you're making long videos. Download it all. I can put it on this video. You can finish your video quickly and save time. When the video is ready, of course we have to download it. Top right here, export it to this video. After watching the video, we need it from the top right corner. Let's upload this video. You can click on the top right corner. Just upload it to this video button. How to get cash after uploading. The point is we have the product. You can find these virtual products at ClickBank. The ones found here are the healthy types. Then find out if it's about weight loss. So these aspects of these are healthy. The product you can promote by linking it. Account enter to get your promotion ID. This URL is your promotional website. Just copy the site, put your web address on your channel. When the customer clicks on your link, you can go to the page that leads to your product. Then when they buy these products, then you can make money from it. I saw these products. It's the product you're promoting. If a customer buys the product, then you can get a high commission from it. And these products are very professional. Its sales page is very professional. So its turnover rate is also very high. Of course, we can't link directly. Put it on your TikTok page. We can imitate him. Send your product to him by email. You can leave your email, so you can get contact information. You can do this by putting links to these products. Send him so that he deals. Because the link to our promotional website is too long. So you can shorten the URL of the website through this. Shorten your links. Copy down this URL. To paste into this shortened URL, you need to shorten it. Then shorten the URL and put it on your TikTok. But when you first started your channel, if you're placing a commercial AD link, then your channel is easily blocked or banned. So the best way to do it is just like him. Email address or contact information. Give healthy advice or ideas to others like him. So that way you can build with customers. You build trust and improve your deal efficiency. And if you get as many streams as he does, he must have acquired a very large client list. So he must be able to get a very high commission profit from. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.